Well, hello and welcome to tutorial 76 in this series of programs and tutorials that focus on TradeStation Easy Language. If you're not part of our email list, then please go to markplex.com and sign up for emails, and I'll be happy to let you know when I create new tutorials or programs. You also might be interested in Gold Pass membership, which includes some more structured training as well as a lot of other benefits, including discounts on downloadable programs and downloadable tutorials. Now, in this tutorial, I often get requests from people who want to do strategies using three-line break charts, and I just wanted to make the point that the three-line break chart can be somewhat deceptive in terms of possibly looking better than it actually is, and the reason for that is it hides a lot of the price action movement. And what I did earlier is create a little program that, when applied to a chart in real time, if it's applied, these are real bars, you'll see we get the little dot here. And what I did, I applied this to a pound-dollar chart and just let it run, and then looked at some of the trades that were happening in places that were not even on the three-line break bars. So what I'm going to do is just show you a short video that demonstrates that, and also what happens when you then refresh the chart, which is simulating what would have happened if we'd have tested this historically. So I recorded this earlier, and what you'll notice here on the three-line break charts is the simple strategy that I'm including below. The trades are happening way away from where the actual bars are occurring on the chart. And you can see a couple of examples here, one of them quite a way away and then another just marginally a ways away. And the reason for this is that there is a lot of price action happening that you're not seeing on the three-line break chart, and this is one of the reasons why I originally created tutorial 23. So I just wanted to caution people that when they're creating strategies, and if they think about using three-line break charts, to be aware of this issue. Now, what I've done now is refresh the chart, and you'll see that when the chart comes up, having been refreshed, then the position of those trades has changed. And this is another potential issue, because what you'll do some historical back testing, you'll see things in a completely different place from where the trades would have occurred in real time. You can see now the two instances that I highlighted earlier are now being traded in quite a different place, and of course this could affect your result. So the reason for all of this can be really demonstrated by tutorial 23, and what I did in tutorial 23 was developed an indicator that drew three-line break bars on a regular candlestick chart. So let me just see if I can find it. Okay, here we go. So you can see particularly, for example, in this area here, that even though there is a very small green line here, that a lot of the price action occurs outside that line, and obviously on a three-line break chart you're not seeing that. What I also did in program 3 was converted this into a show me study where we would draw dots when those color changes occurred, and then furthermore I demonstrated how you could go about developing a strategy using this terminology, using this technique, and I also included some trailing stops and targets and so forth. So just really wanted to caution you that when you're thinking about developing a three-line break type strategy, that you need to take into account the problem that I just highlighted, and potentially you could use something like the technique I used in program 5, which is this strategy we're looking at on the screen now, to get some of the benefits of the three-line break chart, but also to be able to see all of the price action and to be able to get slightly more realistic results when doing historical back testing as to what you would get in real time. So what I'm going to do, the little simple program that I use to demonstrate the difference, I'm going to include that just below this video, and also what I've done, if you are interested in tutorial 23, program 3 and or program 5, obviously you can download those separately, but also I've bundled them together at a significant discount. Anyway, hope you might find this useful.